Hello there. Again, thank you so much for joining me in this course. I really appreciate it, and I'm very, very excited to have you here. Now, as you go through the course, coding apps and doing all of the things that we're going to be doing, there will be many times your code won't work, and that's quite normal. When that happens, we tend to be frustrated and often feel lost. And again, that's also very normal. But before you go ahead and ask questions, I would like you to follow these following steps to find the bug or the problem area on your code. So check error messages. So at the bottom there, the console always tells us where the error occurred. Then go ahead and remove all the code up to where it was working and run the application. If it works, that's good. So if that's the case, then start adding code line by line and running the app to see if it works until you find where the problem was. If that doesn't help, compare your code against my demo code, which I provide in the course. And if still that doesn't work, you still have problems, find solutions online. Beauty of Google is that you can find a lot of solutions very quickly. What I suggest you to do is to find a specific error message you received along with the name of the programming language. So in our case, it would be something like, for instance, if the error is null point, you can say null point plus Android Java. And you should see a lot of results popping up, and you can go through them and find that solution. Now, once all fails, you are still not able to fix the problem, then please ask questions in the forum. Now, one thing I'd like to tell you is that you'll need to ask good questions and always be polite. I'll be around to help with any questions you have, and since we have other students in the course, once you ask a question, everyone will be able to see that question and answer it if they know how to solve the problem. But always, again, be positive. You may be very frustrated, but remember to always be positive when you ask your questions. And the other thing that's very important is to be specific. Don't paste in a massive load of code. Make sure you pinpoint where the problem is by taking screenshots or pasting in just the problem line of code. Once you have your solution, thank someone who helped you. Show appreciation for those who were willing to help you. And remember to pay it forward by helping others as well. Those were the points I wanted to touch before we move forward. All right? Okay, so I'll see you next.